Okay, so creating this video to help you create a new polygraph activity in Desmos. Right now I'm at teacher.desmos.com. You can see that up here. I'm logged in as myself. Right now I'm on the home screen, but I'm going to click Custom on the left-hand side. And instead of New Activity, I'm going to choose New Polygraph. Essentially, it gives you the option to choose 16 different graphs and allow the students to play that polygraph game. The graphs are of your choosing. It depends on what your lesson is and your objective for the game. I'm just going to put a bunch of nonsense in there so that you can see what types of graphs can go in. So you're going to name it, sample, and then you can click Start Building. On the right-hand side, you can see there are 16 empty graphs with nothing in them right now. I'm just going to go over to the left and start typing in some equations. So I have y equals 2x plus 3 is a line. When I press enter, you can see on the right-hand side it moves to the second graph. And again, I'm just going to put 16 different equations. I'm going to do x equals 3, x equals, I already did an x equals, y equals negative 4, got a vertical line, a horizontal line. Let's do x squared minus y squared equals 9. We can do x squared plus y squared equals 16. Let's do a nice parabola in vertex form, negative 2, x minus 3, quantity squared plus 1. Okay, let's see. Now, one of the bad things that I don't like about it, but it is what it is if you start to just put in, let's say, 1/2 x minus 2, it assumes it's y equals. So I know we make a big deal of the difference between expressions and equations. While you're doing this, it does happen to do that. So, but you can put things in other forms. So if you were using, not that you would enter into polygraph this way, but if you were using point slope form, you could have y minus 2 equals negative 3 x plus 2. Still the equation of a line, and they'll take it. You can put things in standard form, 3x plus 4y equals 1. Let's see, we'll do y equals x raised to the third power minus 5. Very exciting. Okay, just filling some others in. 2x cubed minus 5. 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2. Again, I didn't do the y equals, but it assumes it. 1/2. Oh, we can do 1 over 2x, right? Y equals 1 over 2x. We can do y equals x minus 3 over x plus, should I do 7x plus 1? Let's do y equals negative 3x. I'll be wild and crazy. I can put a point, technically. I didn't do absolute value, so I can do ABS, y equals ABS for absolute value, or I can do y equals down here in the menu, absolute value of 2x minus 7. Okay, so now you can see I have my 16 different graphs. I can choose to either show the axes or not show them. I'm going to choose to show them. I can make my activity public. That doesn't seem to make a difference because you can't find it in there. And then click Done. And that's it. Those are just 16 graphs that each student will be paired with someone else. One of the pair will choose one of the 16 graphs, and the other person has to ask yes or no questions to try to guess which graph they had originally chosen. Kind of like the Guess Who game when you're a toddler. Okay, enjoy.